everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. There's this like challenge going around. It's called the Bratz challenge, and basically what it is people are going around and doing their makeup and dressing like Bratz dolls, which I'm all for it. I'm down for it. A lot of people have told me that my style and the way I do my makeup is very Bratz aesthetic, which is really funny that this is now a challenge. So I decided to hop on board. I picked a very colorful Bratz doll that I saw on Instagram. I'm probably going to insert her here. And I was super inspired. So I decided to go ahead and recreate her look using the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. I've had this palette for a while, but I've only used it like one time before this, and I actually filmed a video which should be going up probably after this one. But yeah, I thought this would be the perfect palette to create this rainbow look. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going in with my NYX micro brow pencil in the color black, and really quickly I'm just filling in my brows. I'm not doing anything crazy, just filling in some sparse areas, keeping my natural shape, and that's what you see me doing right here. After this step, I am going to moisturize my face with the Pond's moisturizer for dry skin. I've been loving this for the winter time. And then next after this, I believe I'm going to take my eyeshadow primer and set my lids. I usually use concealer, but I'm using the James Charles palette, and he recommends using an actual eyeshadow primer. So that's what I'm doing, and this is the Essence one that I love so much. You see me waving around the James Charles palette. Excited to try it. Alright, so first I'm going in with You're Kidding, which is this really bright red, and I'm packing that color on my outer corner. I'm not worrying about blending right now, just packing so I get the best pigmentation I possibly can. So now I'm going in with the color 518, and you see me adding that now to the middle of my eye, blending that in with You're Kidding. And now I'm going to go in with Rusted, and I'm also going to use that on my eye in between 518 and You're Kidding, just to get an even more better blend between those two colors. And now I'm going in with the color B, which is this yellow color, which is probably the most disappointing color I used on my eye today. I really thought it was going to be super pigmented yellow, and it just really wasn't. It's really hard to find a really good yellow, and I wasn't impressed with this one. I mean, I made it work, but it was okay. Now I'm taking a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out those harsh edges. And now I'm going in with the color Single, and doing the same thing on the opposite eye. I'm just patting that color into my outer corner so I can get the best pigmentation possible. And that's what you see me doing here. Pat, 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 pat. And now I'm going in with this beautiful color Playground. I was obsessed with this color. I need to like do a look just surrounded by this color. It is amazing. And you see me patting that in, blending that in with the color Single. And now I'm going in with the color Social Blade, which is this really, really pretty green. And I'm also ombreing that into the color Playground, which is the love of my life right now. So that is what you see me doing at the moment. I'm taking another fluffy brush, blending out those edges. You see me. Yep. And now I'm going in with the color Canvas, which is like a bone color. And I'm just setting that primer underneath my eyelid. Not underneath my eyelid. Underneath my brow bone. Sorry about that. It's early. And I'm just setting that primer. And that's what you see me doing right there. Now I'm going in with the second color that disappointed me. The color Spooky. It just wasn't a very pigmented black, and I think it was more my fault. I watched a lot of videos and people said to go in with your dark colors first, and I obviously did not. So maybe I'll give this black another chance, but it was really hard to work with. Now I'm going in with my eyeshadow base from NYX in the color White, and I'm using that to cut my crease. And that is what you see me doing here. I have plenty of videos on my channel on how I do this, but this is just a quick run through. Now I'm going in with the color Flashback, and I'm setting that. I wasn't really impressed with this color either, sadly. It wasn't as white as I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like a really powerful, punch in your face kind of white color, and that just wasn't the case. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I made it work though. So now I'm going in with the new e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is amazing. It makes your pores disappear. It gets rid of all your dirty secrets and sins. It is amazing. Get it? So now I'm going in with one of the colors from the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers from NYX. I believe that is the color 16. Yes, that is the color 16. And I was using that to carve out the top of my brows. I like doing that so when I put on my foundation, I don't accidentally hit my brows. It's kind of just like a little protective barrier for me, personally. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm mixing two colors. The colors that I'm mixing are 336 Warm Bronze and 340 Cappuccino. I am obsessed with this foundation. It is full coverage. It covers everything. Covers all your lies, all your secrets, or everything. It's just amazing. It covers every pimple, every blemish. It is full coverage. And I'm just blending that in with Juno & Co. sponge, microfiber sponge. And now you see me blending out my concealer, and I'm actually using another Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color 15.9. And now I'm setting my concealer with my tried and true Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Can't go anywhere without it. It is amazing. If you don't got it, get it. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl powder, and I believe that's Warm Caramel. And I'm just setting the rest of my face. Another one of my staple favorites, me being super cocky, taking selfies while I am powdering my face. Now I'm contouring with the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony, and I'm just contouring. And that's what you see me doing here. Contouring that little chunky face of mine. And now I'm going to bronze using the Anastasia bronzer in the color Cappuccino. Bring a little warmth back to my face. So that is what you see me doing here. Yep, just, giving myself a little dimension. I was looking a little casket ready for a second. Now I'm going in with one of those toothbrush kind of brushes. I believe that's from Royal Lanical. And I'm using my bronzer just to contour my nose a little bit. So that's what you see me doing here. I don't normally contour my nose, but I was like, what the hell? And now I'm going in with a blush from City Color in the color Blood Orange. And I am putting on my blush. I'm a girl who loves a good blush. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay eyeliner pencil in the color 0. And I am just putting that on my waterline, which is what you see me doing here. Put that black on that waterline, girl. Alright, now I'm going back in with the color Spooky. And I am just smudging out that that black liner on my lower lash line. And it worked a lot better on my lower lash line, that color. Now I'm going in with my favorite mascara of all time, the Essence Lash Princess in the color green. It has to be the green one. The green one's the best one. And I am putting that on my lashes. Oh, I also put my eyeliner on, if you can tell, and I use the It Cosmetics Superhero Liner. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush in the color Hummingbird Hype, but it's a perfect highlighter for my skin tone, so I actually use it as a highlighter. And that's what you see me doing here. I'm doing my cheekbones, I'm doing my brow bone, I am gonna do my nose, my lips. I literally highlight to the gods. It is my favorite part of makeup, is shining bright like a diamond. So that's what you see me doing here. Yes. So now I'm a loser and I am out of screen because I forget that I'm filming myself sometimes. And I'm putting on lip liner. I think that is MAC Whirl. I will have it down in the description. And then the lipstick I am wearing is Anastasia's Liquid Lip in color Hudson. And that's the color that I'm putting on right there. And then I'm stamping my face with this stamp I got from Ulta and is from the brand Lottie London. Setting my face and I'm done. So this is the final look. This is my wearable Bratz makeup, as wearable as a rainbow eyeshadow could be. So I don't know about you, but I'm kind of feeling this. I'm feeling real Bratalicious right now. I'm kind of obsessed with this. And it's really funny because today is actually Super Bowl Sunday. So I'm going to be heading to my parents' house in like an hour. And I'm going to show up looking like this because I'm not taking this off. And everyone's going to be like, girl. But no, I'm kind of obsessed. Like, so I'm going to put her picture probably like here, right here, right here, so we can compare. And I don't know about you, but I think I did a pretty good job. So if you really liked my video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye, guys.